clues on a ghost pirate ship? I can't believe our luck. Rats! You said it. Rats! You know, I bet we'll find some clues behind that locked door over there.
Okay, let's see what we can find on that creepy ship. I need it. It's no use. I need it. Nope. No. Seems to be the only entrance to that ship. No. Not now. Not now. On it. How will you go down, Scoob?
Hey, Scoob, take a look at this. So that ghostly green glow is just these neon lights. I'm beginning to think our ghost pirate is a big fake. But that doesn't mean I'm not scared of it. We better sneak over to those stairs. Wow, look at all these maps. Someone on this ship sure knows a lot about the ocean. Maggie! Like dive tanks? What would a ghost pirate need with these? I don't know. Well, I think I do, and I think I have this mystery just about wrapped up. Hey, listen to me. I sound just like Velma. And if I were thinking like Fred, I'd say it's time we set a trap for that gruesome ghoul. Well, a trap? And a couple more for his horrible henchmen.
Cannon powder. We can use that. We can use that. I need it. There's no wick to ignite. I need it.
ghost pirate.
Oh, boy.
Now I think I know who it is, but there sure are a lot of suspects, like that skittish stowaway Tommy. Those jewels he was hiding were pretty suspicious. And that diving expert Caroline, we never found her again after we almost drowned in Neptune's nest.
Uh-huh.
And what about the captain? He sure would know enough about sailing to pull off a stunt like this.
Maybe.
Caroline! I knew it! Once I saw those dive tanks here on the pirate ship, I was pretty sure she was behind this high seas horror.
But why?
Because I needed the high-tech equipment on the cruise ship to help me locate the treasure. I scared everyone with the ghost pirate so I could have the ship to myself.
But, what did you do with all the passengers?
I trapped them in the cargo hold.
That must be the crazy sound I've been hearing. The passengers trying to tell us where they were.
Well, I would have gotten away with it if it weren't for you meddling kid and that stupid mutt.
Well, Schoolboy buddy, I can't believe we did all this and the rest of the gang wasn't even here to see it. We should take a picture. Everyone say Scooby-Doo. You know, Scoob, like it sure was nice of the captain to give us all this food as a reward. Scooby, like it's the ghost pirate.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.